Hey, Millie.
Hello, I'm Millie. How can I help you?
Can you go to the desk and take an order?
Hello, welcome to Dream Cloud Cafe. What can I get for you?
Can I get a regular coffee, please?
I've added a regular coffee to your order. Would you like anything else?
That's it. That's great. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Let me make that ticket for you. I will be right back.
Awesome. Awesome. So then, this might be the kitchen, right? The cafe. So I'm gonna put this dirty. So I'll exit that, go to tickets. Right here, regular coffee. So let's say that's a regular coffee. I hit deliver, and then I go back. It goes to the last place where it took the order.
Here's your order. One regular coffee. Enjoy.
Thank you. That's perfect. That's exactly what I ordered.
Thank you for being a valued customer.
Little confirmation. Cute. And then it's gonna default navigate back home, back to the kitchen.